What if Mars isn't just a dead planet but a mirror of our future? Imagine standing on its surface 3 billion years ago, surrounded by oceans and life, only to watch it all vanish into the void. Fast forward to today, and renowned physicist Dr. Michio Kaku is sounding the alarm over a discovery so shocking, it shattered his usual calm. NASA's latest findings hint at more than ancient life. They reveal the chilling possibility of a civilization destroyed by its own technology. Could Mars be a glimpse of humanity's fate if we're not careful? The answers may be more terrifying and urgent than we ever imagined. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars 3 billion years ago. The planet is lush, teeming with life, its oceans glistening under a young Sunday. But something is wrong. The water is disappearing, escaping into the ice caps, evaporating into space, or sinking into the permafrost. As a Martian, you realize your world is dying. Where do you go? What do you do? Fast forward to today, and one of the most renowned physicists in the world, Dr. Michio Kaku, is asking similar questions, but with a far more urgent tone. Just minutes ago, Kaku, a scientist known for his calm and optimistic outlook on the future, experienced an unprecedented moment of panic. The reason? A groundbreaking discovery on Mars that could change everything we know about the red planet and the future of humanity itself. For decades, Kaku has been a trusted voice in the scientific community, offering wisdom and insight into the mysteries of the universe. But now, after recent developments, his typically composed demeanor has given way to genuine concern. The discovery made by NASA's latest Mars mission is so unsettling that Kaku himself couldn't hide his shock when he first encountered it. This revelation has left not only Kaku but many other experts on edge, unsure of how to move forward with Mars exploration. The discovery that shook the world? It all began with a routine scan of Mars's surface, part of NASA's ongoing efforts to uncover more about the planet's history and its potential for human habitation. What started as another round of data collection turned into a shocking revelation, one that could have profound implications for future missions to Mars and even humanity's long-term survival in space. The discovery was made by NASA's Perseverance rover, which has been scouring the surface of Mars for signs of life, past or present. Perseverance's primary mission has been to explore the Jezero crater, an ancient lake bed, looking for signs of microbial life that may have once existed in Mars's more hospitable past. But while it was doing so, the rover encountered something that wasn't on the mission's agenda. What the rover discovered is still being processed by scientists, but initial reports suggest that a complex structure has been found beneath the Martian surface, something that appears artificial in nature. This isn't just some ordinary rock formation or geological anomaly. No, what Perseverance has uncovered looks like it could be the remnants of an ancient civilization, one that may have lived on Mars long ago. And here's where the discovery gets even more disturbing. It appears that this civilization may have perished in a way that mirrors humanity's own future, through a cataclysmic event triggered by its own technology. Kaku's panic is a warning for humanity. Kaku, always known for his calm, reasoned approach to space exploration, was visibly shaken when he heard the news. In an interview just moments ago, he admitted that he couldn't quite believe what he was hearing. For years, scientists have debated whether Mars could have supported life, whether life ever existed there, and whether there might be signs of past civilizations buried beneath the dust. But this was different. This wasn't just a theory, it was evidence. What exactly did Perseverance uncover? Initial reports from NASA indicate that the rover discovered strange metallic structures buried deep beneath the surface. These structures don't resemble anything found on Earth or other planets. Their composition is unusual, and the patterns suggest they were deliberately crafted, possibly by an intelligent species. While the data is still preliminary, scientists are already speculating that these artifacts may be the remains of an ancient Martian society. But that's not the most terrifying part. What really sent Kaku into a state of panic is the alarming pattern of destruction the rover detected in the surrounding area. The remnants of the civilization on Mars don't just look abandoned, they look like they were wiped out by some kind of catastrophic event, and the technology found alongside the remains hints at a civilization that was far more advanced than ours, perhaps even capable of manipulating the very forces of nature. Some experts are suggesting that this civilization might have triggered its own downfall through its use of dangerous, powerful technologies that, in Kaku's words, mirror the path humanity is on today. As Kaku put it in his interview, it's almost as if we are seeing the future of humanity laid out on Mars. If we're not careful, we could be heading down the same path. The eerie parallels between Mars and Earth, the comparison to our current trajectory in technology, artificial intelligence and environmental degradation, are unsettling. Kaku has long warned about the potential dangers of unchecked technological advancement, and now it seems that Mars might have already lived through the consequences of such progress. The idea that an advanced civilization could have perished due to its own technological hubris raises many uncomfortable questions. Could we, as humans, be repeating the same mistakes made by those who came before us? If the Martian civilization fell because it tampered with forces beyond its control, are we on the verge of doing the same? These are questions that scientists and ethicists alike are grappling with as the applications of this discovery begin to sink in. Kaku's panic stems from more than just the discovery of an ancient civilization. It's the eerie similarities between what's happening on Mars and what is happening here on Earth that have him so concerned. The cataclysmic event that wiped out Mars's civilization. What exactly was it? Early theories suggest that it could have been related to a weapon or technology that caused massive climate upheaval. The structures found by Perseverance appear to be the remnants of a high-tech city, and some of the machinery discovered in the area shows signs of rapid deterioration, almost as if the entire ecosystem was destabilized in a matter of moments. The rapid decay of the city's infrastructure suggests that the civilization may have experienced a sudden collapse, perhaps triggered by an out-of-control technology or a self-destructive weapon. One of the most chilling aspects of this discovery is the timing. The Martian civilization appears to have reached a level of technological sophistication similar to that of our own current advancements. The possibility that an ancient civilization might have destroyed itself using its own creation sends a stark warning to humanity. With the rise of artificial intelligence, climate change, and the potential for weaponized technologies, we are treading a dangerous line. Could it be that the Martian civilization faced a similar fate? And is this the ultimate fate of any species that becomes too technologically advanced? A final warning? As the world grapples with the discovery of ancient Martian technology and the applications for human space exploration, Kaku has issued a final warning. The collapse of the Martian civilization, he argues, is a reflection of the dangers inherent in unchecked technological growth. If we are not careful, we might find ourselves on the same path. Yet Kaku remains hopeful. He believes that humanity has the potential to avoid the same mistakes, but only if we are willing to acknowledge the risks and make responsible decisions. The discovery on Mars, in Kaku's view, could be the wake-up call humanity needs. It's a reminder that no matter how far we go in our exploration of space, we are still bound by the same fundamental truths about technology, sustainability, and the environment. Kaku's message is clear. The future of humanity lies in our ability to harness the power of technology responsibly. Mars, with all its mysteries and lessons, may be the key to unlocking a future where humanity thrives, not just in space but on Earth as well.